I'm going to show you how to use reverse wired charging on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So reverse wired charging allows you to use a USB cable to charge other phones using your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So what you first want to do is go into settings and then scroll all the way down to battery and power saving, and then select battery, health and charging, and then confirm whether reverse wired charging is available. So when you tap on that, you'll see that it's available. Now to test that out, I'm going to connect one end of the USB cable. Mine is USB-C to USB-C. So I'm going to connect one end of this cable to the Tecno Camon 50 Pro and the other end to my phone. And as you can see, it is now charging. That's basically how to use reverse wired charging on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.